Okay, we will answer this one. If triangle box is congruent to triangle CAN or CAN, the measure of angle B is 40, line CA is 7 centimeter, line CN is 11 centimeter. So what is the measure of line BO? Okay, so first we will draw the two triangles. Okay, so let's assume na ito yung triangle which is congruent or equal. So ito yung BOX, yung box. Ito yung CAN. Okay? So ngayon, so yung angle B, this angle is 40 or angle 40 or angle B is measures 40 degree. CA, this angle is 7 centimeter. Okay, then line CN, this is 11 cm. Okay, so what is the measure of line BO? This one. Okay, take note, this BO is congruent to line CA. So therefore, yung value ng BO or line BO is equal to 7 centimeter. So sa choices natin, letter B is the correct answer.